In the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to be showing you simple ways that you can upload your videos on YouTube, not the other way around. The way that you're supposed to upload your video on YouTube, get it optimized, and get more views and engagement. Alright, so without wasting much time, let us go over on how to do that. Let us go over to the next video. So you're going to open your phone. Now, the mistake that some of you make is that you use your normal YouTube app to upload your videos, which is wrong. So you're going to use your YouTube studio. Open your YouTube studio, and I'm going to switch channel. This is not the channel I want to upload this video, so I'm going to be switching it. So I'm going to tap on my picture icon and switch over to the channel that I'm going to be uploading this video. Alright, so once the channel is opened, I'm going to go ahead and click on that plus icon above. You see that plus icon above? Yeah, that is where we are going to be creating our video. Click on it. Then I'm going to select the video that I'm going to use. Select the video, and it's processing. Now once it is done processing, we are going to put in the title and the description and the tags, hashtags and everything. So I love to use ChatGPT for this, because ChatGPT will help me with optimization. I will give ChatGPT a prompt to give me the title and description and hashtags and tags that I'm going to use for this video. So I'm going to be doing everything using ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to optimize the titles, optimize the description, so that it will be discoverable. All right, and make sure that your thumbnail, we are going to put in your thumbnail. So we are going to click on the thumbnail section and put in this thumbnail that I created using Canvas. You can see I made the thumbnail catchy, so that once I upload it, people can see it quickly and click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring in the description and the title that I asked ChatGPT to create for me. So here it is ready, the title, description, hashtags and all that. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make it SEO optimized, and once it has done that, I'll go ahead and copy the title, the description and the hashtags one after another and paste them into the space provided in my YouTube studio. So here, after you have pasted your description, you're going to go ahead and check for things like playlist. If you have a playlist, you add this video to a playlist. Very good. All right, then the next thing, you are going to go over and schedule this video. Don't click public or unlisted or private, just schedule it. Click on schedule, then you click on the time there, the drop down arrow by the side. You are going to click on it, and you're going to select the date and the time of the day that you want this video to be published on your YouTube. So that is what you're going to be doing. So once that is done, you're going to go over and check if there are other necessary things or items that you are missing. Like this video now, our title is not there and we did not select the audience. Now I love to select no, it's not meant for kids. Then you go ahead and click on no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. All right, so once you click on the video is for kids, it will push your video to the kids channel, YouTube Kids. Use YouTube for kids, so you don't want that for your video. So go ahead and check if there are other things that you have not included. Like my title, I did not include an optimized title, so I'm going to go ahead and bring in the title from my ChatGPT that I have previously copied. So I'm going to bring it in and paste it again. and that's it. Now I also forgot, there are some items like tags. When posting this video the first time, you're not going to see an option for tags until after you have uploaded your video. So I'm going to be showing you how to, find the area where you can put it. If you look down, you're going to see tags, area for tags. Yeah, okay, let me finish putting the title. Now if you look down, you're going to see tag shorts, short remixing and all that. Click on it, click on add tag. I'll go back to ChatGPT and bring the tags that ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to bring it in here. Oh, it's an SEO optimized tag. Find it. Okay, you can see them here: contact out tutorial, apollo.io tutorial, lead generation automation. I'm going to copy them one after the other and paste them into the tag section, and then save and upload my video again. Go ahead and select a category where your content falls in. All right, so you can choose any one. If it's entertainment, if it's education, if it is gaming, if it is music, just select your niche or what your content is all about, and save. After you have done that, you save.